Instead of buying a second coffee today, you can start investing in the US share market with fractional shares. Grab a bite of a big brand share from as little as $5. Invest in fractional shares on TigerTrade and open yourself up to a world of diversified possibilities. What is a fractional share? Just as its name implies, it's a fraction of a share. With fractional shares, no share is too expensive, even if the price per share is $500. You can buy 0.01 share or just buy $5 at a time. 3 benefits for trading fractional shares. First, you can start with a modest amount of money. Second, you can diversify your portfolio easily. And you can dollar-cost average, thereby smoothing market fluctuates. Ready to start? You're only 3 steps away. Download the TigerTrade app, open an account and fund it. It'll take you a few minutes to get started. Search for the share you want to buy. Every share that displays this fractional shares icon is available for fractional share trading. S&P 500 companies are all supported. Now click and buy. With a limit order, you'll need to add the price and quantity. For example, you may input as little as 0.01 shares, but a minimum order size of $5 is required. With a market order, just add the US dollar amount you want to buy, and the approximate number of shares will be calculated by TigerTrade for your reference. After the order is filled, you'll be able to see it in your portfolio. Now, start investing with fractional shares on TigerTrade.